Understanding, freeze the situation, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, freeze the situation. This idiom might sound a bit chilly at first, but it's a fantastic way to express a specific concept in English. If you've ever been curious about how and when to use this phrase, you're in the right place. Let's warm up to it together and unlock its meaning and applications. At its core, freeze the situation means to stop any further action or development in a process. Imagine pressing the pause button on your remote control. Everything halts immediately. Similarly, when someone says to freeze the situation, they're essentially calling for a temporary stop to assess, reconsider, or prevent changes from happening. It's not about physical coldness but about pausing progress or activities. This idiom can be used in various contexts. In business or negotiations, when parties need more time to consider an offer or when further discussions could jeopardize an agreement. In conflict or dispute situations, to prevent the escalation of a conflict or to maintain stability while seeking a peaceful resolution. In personal decisions, when someone needs a moment to think over a decision or when feeling overwhelmed and wanting to take a step back. Highlighting these contexts makes it clear that the phrase is versatile and applicable in many areas of life. To fully grasp how freeze the situation works in real-life conversations, let's look at a few examples. 1. Given the current market uncertainty, the board decided to freeze the situation until a clearer strategy could be developed. 2. During the argument, she asked to freeze the situation so both could cool down and talk later with clearer heads. 3. The government froze the situation regarding the new policy to have more time for public consultation. These examples demonstrate how the phrase can be a powerful tool for communication. Understanding and using idioms like freeze the situation can enrich your English speaking and writing, making it more colorful and precise. It's a great way to express the idea of pausing actions or decisions until a better time. We hope this video has thawed any confusion and equipped you with a cool new phrase to use in your English adventures. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.